Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I want to show you how I installed those beautiful clip ins. I love them so much. Like, can you even tell where they separate, like with my hair? Absolutely love them. Clip ins are actually such a great protective hairstyle. As we speak, half down my hair is in twists, and of course in the front I had to like take it out so I can blend it in. Absolutely beautiful. They can also be styled in so many ways. I'll do a video at another point in time. I was even shocked that sometime last week when I had this on, so many people were fooled. Like, they could not believe that these are clip-ins. They kept saying, "Oh Heather, your hair's so stunning." I mean, of course I was like, "Oh yeah, thank you so much," but then at some point I'll be like, "Oh yeah, these are actually clip-ins," and they'll be like, "Oh my god." And I'm still like, oh my god, today, because these are beautiful. Anyways, if you're tuning in for the first time, thanks so much for coming, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. You guys know how much I love and appreciate you all. And of course, if you like this video and you love my channel, do subscribe, do hit the notifications button down below, do comment and tell me if you've ever used clip ins and what you think about them. I'll also leave down in the description box where mine are from. Otherwise, do watch and enjoy the video. Your twists are going to determine how your hair blends with the rest of the clip ins, so they have to be tied, that way they are well defined. To have a better view of what I'll be doing, I'm just tying the front twist up, and I'll be using bobby pins to secure the ones at the back, so it's easy for us to install our clip ins. These are 14-inch clip ins. They are so easy to maintain. You can wash them using your cleansing conditioner or just use regular conditioner to help maintain them, and you can spray water as well. They will not shrink up. So I'm not installing this at the bottom of my hair close to my neck. I just went a little bit higher because these are 14 inches, so you want to make sure that you get the same volume and length from the rest of your head, as they won't be as low. The frontal won't be as low as the back. If I had 16-inch or 18-inch clip ins, then I would be able to use those in the front and then the 14-inch at the back. I sprayed clean water, and now I'm going in with a curl refresher spray because we like our kinks and coils. The clip-ins come in different sizes, so as you install you see which size goes where, but really it's just up to you and how you want it to look. I kept doing the same thing, different size clips at different parts of my hair. I was also checking the volume because I did not want it to be too voluminous. That way it looks unrealistic, yet I didn't want it to be too light as well, and I'll still be able to blend it in with the rest of my hair. I was using my hands to fluff their hair out and just make sure that it's even from all angles and sides. You can also spray water, but just avoid using a comb because you will just end up ripping the clips out of your hair, and your hands are better because you can manage and you can feel any tangles and what you're doing. This is exactly what I was talking about. Your twists have to be well defined, that way they can better blend in with your clip ends. I was carefully unraveling the twist, that way I still get the definition that I want. Then I was just going in with the afro comb only on the roots to give the hair volume and to close the lines I had opened when I was doing the twist. I use the shorter clip ends for the front. It's just easier and it's better, and the blend is beautiful. I am not even done blending or unraveling my twist, but can you tell? Can you see what I'm talking about? This is beautiful. Going again with my hands to fluff everything out, to blend it better, and I also sprayed a little bit of the curl refresher spray just to, wake up the curls and revive them. This is beautiful. I keep saying that because this is beautiful. I also tried not to lay my edges because I wanted to make it look as realistic as possible, as kinky and curly and coily as possible. This is stunning. This is stunning, looking like 10 over 10 plus 10 minus nothing stunning. These are gorgeous. I love them. See the curl definition I was talking about on my twists? You can't tell. Like, you cannot tell. I love it. You can always add more clip ends if you want some volume. You can also remove some of them if you want less volume. It's just dependent on what look you're going for. This is exactly what I was going for, and that's exactly what I got. Love it.